Now, it's been more than 40 years since the anti-corruption Lokpal bill was initially proposed. Fed up with the government's inaction, veteran social activist Anna Hazare has decided to go on an indefinite hunger strike from today. Anna Hazare and his team will begin their fast at Rajghat and will then undertake a march to India Gate. He is undertaking this fast to protest against the government's lackluster attitude towards passing the anti-corruption bill, as the bill has been in cold storage for over 40 years. As Hazare announced his decision to embark on this indefinite strike, the Prime Minister himself appealed to Anna Hazare to reconsider his decision. In a press release, the PMO said that their peace overtures had been rebuffed and that Hazare's team was demanding that the draft of the bill be accepted in full totality.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर के लिए मैं भी उनकी इज्जत करता हूं, लेकिन मेरा अनशन नहीं रुकेगा। कल जो अनशन शुरू होगा वो होने वाला है और वो जब तक ये लोकपाल बिल का कानून नहीं बनता तब तक मैं जारी रखूंगा। ये नहीं है कि पूरा ड्राफ्ट बन जाए, समय लगेगा, लेकिन हमारी जॉइंट कमेटी और जॉइंट कमेटी बनाकर कुछ ना कुछ शुरुआत तो करो। तो मैं तो इसको अभी वापस नहीं लेने वाला है और जब तक ये जॉइंट कमेटी बनकर ड्राफ्ट बनाने के लिए शुरुआत नहीं होगी तब तक ये आंदोलन चलता है।
This is not the first time the Prime Minister is hearing what Anna is asking. Anna is only asking for one small thing: appoint a joint committee of civil society and the Government of India officials. Just appoint a joint committee so that we can jointly draft this bill. All we are saying is, in this bill, please draft some of the best brains we have. And the one which has been made by the Government of India is a hoax. It's one more advisory bill. It's one more closed bill. That means you cannot make a complaint unless the Speaker of the Lok Sabha permits it or the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Where is the public man? Where's the common man?
Look, government should respond to it immediately. Government has given an impression that it is not really serious about this bill. It came out with the bill which is totally ineffective bill. There is no doubt about that. Now, why did you do this exercise? To tell the government we are very serious, we are not going to accept the a bill which you are proposing it and all. It is of absolutely no use. It's just a fraud, according, I mean, if I may use that word, you know. Now, Prime Minister says that give me some time. You have proposed a bill now. Give a week's time, 10 days time. Let us see what the reaction is.
Well, the Lokpal bill has been held up for over 40 years and various governments tried to bring it up but never got around to getting it passed in Parliament. Manmohan Singh's UPA-1 government tried to bring it up in 2008 as well, but it did not progress beyond that. Now, the Lokpal bill is aimed at checking the rampant corruption in high places within the government by bringing in independent watchdogs against rampant corruption which is plaguing society today. And Times now is asking two very vital questions. Are politicians avoiding the Lokpal bill for the past 42 years to escape public scrutiny? And will this Lokpal bill be an effective platform for the citizen to come in and fight corruption?